Forming partnerships in the community is one of the most effective strategies to expand evangelistic efforts. When churches work hand in hand with local organizations, they gain access to more resources, form meaningful relationships, and build trust within the community. These partnerships not only reflect Christ's example of unity and service, but also create a powerful testimony of his love in action. As Ecclesiastes 4 verse 9 reminds us, two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their toil. Partnerships bring significant benefits to evangelism. They expand reach by providing access to new audiences and networks, often through collaboration with established nonprofits, businesses, or civic groups. This allows the message of Christ to extend beyond the usual spheres, fostering new relationships and increasing visibility. Acts 4 verses 32 to 35 illustrates how the early church shared resources and supported each other, building goodwill that enhanced their impact. Moreover, partnerships help build trust within the community. Collaborating with respected organizations shows a genuine commitment to addressing shared concerns, earning credibility with those who might otherwise be hesitant about engaging with the church. For example, a church that partnered with a city council for a neighborhood park cleanup not only improved the area but also built lasting relationships with the residents who witnessed their care and dedication. Pooling resources is another key advantage. Sharing costs, venues, and manpower allows churches to undertake larger, higher quality outreach efforts. By planning resource sharing in advance, such as coordinating venue use or volunteer assignments, these partnerships become more efficient and impactful. Collaboration also aligns the church with the community's needs. Working with groups that have a deep understanding of local challenges enables churches to address these concerns effectively. For example, a partnership with a health clinic to provide free medical screenings not only meets physical needs but also creates opportunities to introduce spiritual discussions. When churches and organizations unite around shared goals, they demonstrate the unity that Christ calls believers to embody. Paul's analogy of the church as one body with many parts in 1 Corinthians 12 verses 12 to 27 highlights how each group's unique strengths contribute to a common mission. Partnerships like these visibly showcase Christ's love, as emphasized in Matthew 5 verse 16. Let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven. Building effective partnerships involves several intentional steps. First, identify potential partners whose mission aligns with the church's outreach goals. Whether it's a local youth center, school, or nonprofit, choosing the right partners lays the foundation for success. For example, a church aiming to support youth mentorship could collaborate with a nearby high school to enhance after-school programs. Next, reach out with a clear vision for collaboration, emphasizing mutual benefits. For instance, when a church proposed a mentoring program to a school, highlighting the benefits for students and the broader community secured the school's support. Once a partnership is initiated, it's vital to define roles, responsibilities, and shared goals. Clear communication avoids misunderstandings and ensures everyone works towards the same outcomes. As Philippians 2 verse 2 urges, believers are called to be of one mind in purpose, a principle that strengthens collaboration. Formalizing the partnership with a written agreement provides structure and accountability. This document outlines responsibilities, resources, and timelines, reducing potential conflicts. For example, a church partnering with a grocery store for a food drive used an agreement to specify volunteer roles, donation management, and distribution plans. Sustaining partnerships requires consistent communication, appreciation, and adaptability. Regular check-ins help address challenges, celebrate progress, and make necessary adjustments. Expressing gratitude, as Paul often did for his ministry partners, builds goodwill and strengthens the relationship. Finally, being flexible to adapt to evolving community needs ensures the partnership remains relevant and impactful. For instance, when the pandemic brought financial hardships, a church adapted its partnership with a community center to offer financial literacy classes and job search assistance, demonstrating their commitment to addressing current needs. In conclusion, partnerships are a powerful way to amplify the church's evangelistic mission. By working with like-minded organizations, churches extend their reach, build trust, and address real needs in ways that embody Christ's love. Strategic collaborations create lasting impact, fostering unity and strengthening the church's role as a beacon of hope in the community. As Matthew 18 verse 20 assures, "For where two or three gather in my name, there am I with them."